my experience at Ronnie's AI Bootcamp has been absolutely fantastic. I have learned so much information that I never knew was available. So, you know, you don't know what you don't know. Well, now I know a lot of stuff. So I know how I can implement it into my business. And in fact, throughout the bootcamp, we've been able to implement as we go. So I already have some materials ready to go by the end of the bootcamp. And also with the training platform, I know I can go back and revisit anything. But it was absolutely well worth me getting up. For me, I'm in Australia, so I did have to get up at 1 a.m. in the morning. And I would do that over and over again to be able to be a part of Ronnie's training. He's absolutely fantastic and he gives so much information. It's definitely well worth the value. So thank you, Ronnie, really enjoyed it.
One thing that I can say is attending Ronnie's AI Bootcamp could have another name called No Excuses. All the reasons that I have held myself back for at least the last year or more, not having a product, not knowing how to implement a funnel, a lead magnet, all the things, and walking away from this fully able to not just do this in one area, but any area, and making it so easy to understand for somebody who is from the dark ages, where I learned to type on a typewriter with no letters on the keys, right? So taking something that really for a lot of people just seems like another language. To me, it was like almost learning a foreign language every time I tried to tap into something, and he made it effortless, easy. It is definitely my No Excuses Bootcamp, and I recommend it highly to anybody who's putting their toe in the water and doesn't know where to start. It makes it so simple. Thank you, Ronnie.
This has been absolutely amazing. For someone who's been in technical training and corporate training for over 22 years, and I took a break from that, it just shows how far things have gone. I'm looking at classes that I created years ago that took 18 to 24 months, and I could basically recreate them probably within a day. It is just not only truly enlightening, but the possibilities are truly endless. I can't stop thinking of all the various things that I've taught in the past that I can integrate into this using this system. And it's just, I think it's life-changing, and this class has been phenomenal. The way Ronnie's explained everything has just been not only fun, but he's really simplified tasks and explained them so well so that really anyone can do it. So pure gratitude for everything that you've shown. I know we're going to take this and run.
Ronnie makes you do it now. Like, you're not just taking notes and go practice. You have to do it as he shows you, and I've got a lot of stuff done already, put into place, and did the exercise and using it and getting results right now while we're in the class. That's the thing that blew my mind. And there's so much to it that I know I'm going to do it again and again and bring some of my friends for sure. But it was worth not sleeping in on the Sunday morning to do this, because on the second day there's so much that's now in my folder, because you do your stuff and you put it in your folder and you keep doing, so you don't get to just relax back and just, I'll do it later. No, you're doing it right now. So that's what I love about it. So I got a lot of stuff done already. And from the creating the emails to actually be able to create some posts for your media, which is pretty cool. I loved it.
Honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I mean, I kept hearing about ChatGPT, and I know that I wanted to learn more about AI tools. But I'm just blown away by all the things I've learned through this boot camp. And, you know, it's really wonderful to learn from someone who's highly competent and communicates well, and actually also pushes you to get things done. I mean, this has really felt more like a working meeting, like get in here and work on things so that we're all leaving with actual tools that we can use to build our business. So, but I just want to also highlight, I think for anybody who's a little afraid of tech, I think Ronnie does a great job of creating an environment that's friendly and warm and safe. It's okay to say, I don't know what I'm doing, or I didn't quite understand that. He's very, very patient, and it's just really just been a lovely boot camp. And so thank you, Ronnie. Thank you for everything.
My experience has been phenomenal. I had attended Ronnie's last boot camp, and I really, really enjoyed it. But this one, I think, is very, very appropriate for where I am in my business and for what my needs are. And one thing about Ronnie is that he's not only a professional and knows his stuff, but he is also very, very kind and very patient with those of us who didn't grow up with technology or having to learn technology. So again, I just appreciate the opportunity. So thank you so much for having us and for having this great event. Really appreciate it.